Lookaloo. Lookaloo, do you wanna go swimming? Simon, do you wanna go swimming? Do you wanna go swimming? Go on down.
We got Simon a life jacket, hoping that it'll make him less terrified of the water.
He's already a pretty decent swimmer, but let's see how he swims with this thing. It's his first time with it on, and he's already frozen. So I don't know if he's gonna start swimming or not. He's just gonna sit there. With the lines up. Go to mama.
Is he just floating?
He's just floating.
Come on, buddy! Come on, swim!
Swim!
Oh, careful.
Come on, dude, swim!
He doesn't know what to do.
Come on.
Swim!
Come on.
Okay, that's absolutely adorable.
Oh,
careful, careful!
Let him figure it out. Let him figure it out.
Oh, he's gonna flip right over.
Whoa. Tail helps to keep balance. Yep, the tail helps to keep balance.
Help him, Jeff. Walk with him.
What are we gonna do?
He's just floating. He's like, oh, this is nice. Oh, buddy.
We've turned him into a turtle. Hey guys, what's going on? We are here at Sarnia's Chris Hadfield Airport, checking out a B25 Mitchell. Come with us, won't you?
Transform from one to the other.
That's what I was doing.
Oh boy.
That's cool.
Yeah, could you go ahead and haircut?
I love it.
Just a side note, this is my Uncle Steve's plane. Maybe one day he might let me fly it. Before he gets to go flying in it, it needs some minor work. But anything's possible. It's only money. Something you might not know about me is I used to fly Cessnas a little bit back in the day. Come to think of it, I've flown this one. This is HIH. I've flown this one, GUJR. Beautiful R44 next to it. And the Diamond Katana, I assure you, it had wings on it when I flew it last. Cool.